We are making catfish pepper sauce. We are not making pepper soup today, so let's do that. Now I'm gonna add hot water. And don't allow it to sit too much in the hot water. Now I'm gonna season it with some seasoning cubes and salt. Now massage it just to make sure that it is well coated with the salt and seasoning cube, just like so. Now I'm going to cover it and set it aside, and I will go ahead and fry my pepper sauce. Set aside. To make the pepper sauce, I will add some vegetable oil in a pot and allow it to heat up. Now I'm going to add my pepper mix, add my seasoning cubes. You can add any spices of your choice. I'm going to keep it simple. I will only add my fresh curry leaves, so do well to do what you like. Add your preferred spices, all fine. Now I'm gonna stir and allow it to fry. Now allow it to fry a bit. While the pepper sauce is frying, I'll go ahead and cook my white rice. I like to parboil my rice. Now let's check on the pepper sauce. Looking good. I'm going to transfer the fish in there and allow it to cook. Allow it to cook in the pepper sauce. You guys, this is really quick meal for the family. You guys, this pot is very, very small. Obviously small for the sauce. Now I'm going to transfer it in a bigger one, like so. Now I'm going to add the sauce. It's better now. Perfect. Spread it and allow it to cook. Cover and allow it to cook. Now let's check on our catfish. Look at that. It's doing really well. I didn't add water. Don't add water because the catfish is going to release some juice. Now I'm going to add more onions and curry leaves, my fresh curry leaves. Gently stir. Cover and allow it to cook for 3 minutes and it's done. Oh wow. It's ready. Look at that. Don't overstir. Don't stir too much. Look at that. It's ready. Now I'm gonna off the heat and it's time to dish out time. As delicious as always. See you.